He walked into court facing serious felony charges, and within minutes, he would hear a sentence that could change the rest of his life. But after the judge handed down 3 years in prison, her final warning at the end of the hearing made it clear. This was more than just a sentence. What she told him next is something you don't want to miss.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Pettis, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in the cause number ending in 8-2, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? And in the cause number ending in 8-3, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge Satan waives and abandons count one and proceeds solely on count.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor, and I'm apologize for my camera. I don't know why it keeps turning off.
Oh, it happens.
Yeah.
But you're fine.
Okay.
All
thank
right.
you.
Mr. Pettis, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In the cause number ending in 8-3, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause ending in 8-2, you're charged with an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, I do not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent by entering a plea in each cause number.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Pettis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea and each cause number, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There are no applications. The cases will run concurrently. There's a $600 fine in each cause number. And in the cause number ending in 3, the state is proceeding on count 2 only. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State in defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
States Your Honor, state over States Exhibit 1 and all attachments under both.
No, no objection.
All right, state you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, I believe he is worthy of the plea bargain. We ask the court follow it.
And cause number 2026 CR 007183. As previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you and count 2 to 3 years in the prison. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 007182. Court will give you credit for any time served. And cause number 2026 CR 007182 will sentence you 3 years in prison. Credit for any time served, $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 007183. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors and no residing in households with minors. In each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have a court's permission to appeal. These are felony convictions. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapon or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
No.
How old are you?
42.
And you got to make a decision. Do you want to? You're so close to being in the twilight of your life. You know why I say that? Because unless you're planning on living to be 120 or whatever it may be, that would be great if we have all our faculties and we can still be independent. But you're 42, right? Maybe you'll live to be 84. But do you want to spend that time living at a prison? So you got to change. If you don't change, that's what's going to end up happening. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Make better decisions.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
Sweet.
Good luck, Max.
3 years in prison, felony convictions, and strict restrictions were now part of his future. But the judge's final words may have been the most important part of this entire hearing. At 42, she warned him that the choices he makes now could determine whether he spends his future behind bars or turns his life around. What do you think? Was the judge right to give him this warning? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more real courtroom moments, surprising sentences, and powerful judge reactions, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next case.